Hey everybody, so I'm gonna jump right in on this one. If you can smash the like button, I'd totally appreciate it. So this Bible study, again, it's very brief because I'm gonna have a more in-depth one later, but here it is, the gist of it. This was, in 1 Kings, and this was about where this prophet was told, like, don't eat any bread, don't drink from anybody's home, and wherever you go, however you come to this place, don't come and go the same way. Meaning, if you took this one direction, don't go that direction, go a totally different direction. And so this prophet, first round, he does what God says, and somebody else finds him and invites him, like, you know, thank you so much for your wisdom. Come back with me and get some rest and let me feed you and give you drink. And he says to the person, you know, I really appreciate it, but I can't. So, you know, I'm gonna go on my way. And so he gets away from that person. He does not eat bread, he does not drink, and he goes a totally different way. So now somebody else hears about whatever this prophet has done, man of God has done, and so therefore this other prophet, an older prophet, comes to find this other prophet, and he's like, are you the so-and-so? And he says, I am. And he says, well, I had a vision from God. So this is the older prophet lying and deceiving this other prophet, saying that God gave him a vision and that he's supposed to come and follow him to his house and that he can get food and rest. And so because this prophet believes this older prophet that he's really telling the truth, he gets deceived. He goes to the other prophet's home, he eats, he refreshes himself, he drinks, and the older prophet now says, because you disobeyed God, you are now going to die by the hand of a lion, to death from a lion. And again, the prophet is like, what? He can't believe that he was deceived. And so as he leaves, and the guy puts him on some kind of animal, and as he leaves, bottom line, lion comes out, lion kills him. And then later on in that same chapter, it says that older prophet then goes to later find the prophet dead, and he has remorse in his heart, and he says he actually buries the prophet in one of his tombs, and then he says that when he dies, to be buried next to this prophet. So it was kind of weird. I didn't get all of the understanding of this, but it was just, the idea was that when God tells you don't eat, don't drink, don't come and go, you know, be waiting for me to lead you. And so the prophet obeys, but then at some point he gets deceived. And so again, the part that is being highlighted to me is again about deception, and that the enemy only comes to lie, kill, steal, and destroy. And he does it in so many clever, manipulative ways in the Old Testament and in the New Testament. And my glasses are all fogged up. Hang on. In the Old Testament and in the New Testament, you know, it happens over and over again that people get deceived. And I think the lesson here again is just to be mindful, to be watchful, to be observant, and to just not trust anybody. I mean, that's kind of the message that I'm getting, that if God tells you do this and you don't want to be distracted by anyone else, then it really seems like when you are having that direct connection with God, you really need to set yourself apart from everyone else, because there's so many times when you can be destroyed and deceived because people lie all the time. So anyway, that's that little blip. Hope you have a good day everybody. Bye.